Hey guys, welcome back. It's Dana. Welcome back.
Yes, welcome back already.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe.
They got that.
Continue watching if you want to see more of You Don't Know What, because I never tell you. Okay. So I've been bleaching my hair over the course of a year now. And I bleached it like 3-4 times, and every time I bleached it has been getting more damaged, and just straighter and straighter I've been losing my curl pattern. I was trying to achieve like a platinum blonde color, and you know, you have to bleach your hair multiple times to get that. And I finally got the desired color that I wanted to just last week, and now my hair is just ruined beyond repair. When your hair is too damaged where it is literally kind of straight and the curls no longer look like curls, they look more like waves, then you just need to cut your hair. You don't need to try to do any protein treatment or anything like that, because your hair is just not going to get better. I'm going to eventually cut it, but I like the color that I have because it's a color I've always wanted, so I'm just keeping it to play with it for a while. But if you're not ready to take that big step where you need to cut it off, then you can just do this or do any other curling style to help to curl your hair so it looks pretty. My hair is really nice. So here I styled my hair. I used Curls Unleashed.
No. Organic with simulator. Or naturals. It's not curls unleashed.
I used ORS curls ORS olive oil for naturals, buttercream styling smoothie to style my hair, and these are the results. You can see that the black part of my hair that is undyed or anything is really curly, shiny and bouncy and everything, and this is the bleach part, my colored part. The first time after I washed out the bleach out of my hair and I saw my hair laying down real smooth in my hand, I know that my hair was never going to curl ever again. And after trying to style it, this was the result, and it was kind of expected, but I was still depressed. The ends are trash, literally. I don't know if you can see that. And the rest of it is just straight. It looks terrible. If I ever try to go out like this, I'm sure people would laugh at me. I don't even know what to say. But yeah, I'm still in love with it. I'm still in love with the color, so I'm going to show you guys how I style this. Okay, so this is a curling iron that I'll be using. I don't remember what brand. While I'm waiting on the iron to heat up, I'm just going to be using my Versatility heat protectant and spraying that onto my hair. However, the curl separates. That's just the lock of curl that I'm going to be curling at one time. So I just get the strand and wrap it. My hair is kind of damp, so I have to leave it on longer. Okay, so this is the first one. So my hair is already damaged, so I'm not worried about having it on the curling iron too long, because it's not gonna really make a difference. Okay, so now I'm on to the final section of my hair, and it's more dry than it was before, so I don't need to be doing it in such small sections, so I can get a bigger chunk of hair and wrap it around the curling iron, and I don't need to leave it as long either. I can just leave it for about 10 seconds and that should be enough. And there you have it. Everything's done, and I'm just going to use some oil to separate the curls. smaller curls, how it naturally separates. Yeah. So you can see my hair is looking bouncy and almost like it is healthy, and this is its natural state, although it's really not. So before curling my hair, it could not have been worn out like this. And yes, it is shorter than my natural hair, but my hair, this part of my hair is still damp. But when it's fully dried, then it all should blend nicely and look real natural. Okay guys, so here it is, the final look. My hair looks brand new, like it was never ever damaged. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, bye.